Good morning, children. Welcome to the class of Hindi. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Stay safe, stay home. Okay? Do the practice, means do the homework properly and post to your class teachers, concerned class teacher group. Okay, children? And play at home. Along with that one, study at home also. Okay? In these days, we can study through this videos only. No, children? What you have to do? You must have to prepare well what we are giving the works. You have to do that one. Okay, children? Why? Because if you go to next class, that time you will suffer, no? That's why we have to learn some means what we are giving, that you must have to have to do. Okay, children? Now see, in previous class I explained 2-letter words, only 2. Before that I gave so many words, and after that yesterday last class only I gave the 2 words only. No, in that one you will get an idea that which letters I explained. No, briefly I explained and I told you, I gave the homework. I am hoping that you are doing the homework well in a manner, and write in a good handwriting also, children. Okay, children? Now see here. See, now related to that one only. Now up to this time you knows that how to form a 2-letter word without the symbol. No, children? You knows that how to form a 2-letter word. It is very easy. You must have to take one word from anywhere. You can join that with a header. No, already it is over. Now also 2-letter words only, but without a symbol. Very easy words. Then are you identifying that? Now first what you have to do? We have to identify the letter and then word. Now join the 2 letters, then it will become a word. Which 2 letters are hidden in this one? Which 2 letters are hidden in this one? What is that first one? If we separate, we can see the ta, and if we separate another one, it is a ba. See what is given here? Ta and ba. Which 2 letters are mixed? Which 2 letters are joined there? Ta and ba. If we write separately, separate header. If we join this one, it will become a coming as one word. Coming as one word. Which 2 letters are added in this one? Ta and ba. Which 2 letters are added? Ta and ba. Ta, ba, tub. Ta and ba, tub. T-U-B, tub. See here, tub means, tub means a plastic tub is there, no, at home. When we are washing, after cleaning the utensils, we are keeping in that one, or otherwise when we wash, at that time this tub is helping us carrying the clothes here to there after washing that, and or otherwise we are after cleaning the utensils, we are keeping in that one. And small children also sitting in that one, and they are taking a bath in middle of this tub. No, tub means so many things are there. Bathing tub is there, washing tub is there, means plastic tubs are there in different sizes. No, children? Now I am written the letter, word, and converting into the I separated the letter and joined that word, and what is the meaning of that one I explained all. No, in previous class what did I explain related to that? I gave the homework also. I am thinking that you are also writing. Okay, children? Now see here what I gave, which letters I gave, how you are going to identify this. These letters are helping us to identify these letters. No, if we See, by seeing these letters, if we identify 2-letter words, when it comes to 3-letter word and 4-letter words without the symbol, then that time we can easily identify what are the letters and which one it is Alpapran, Mahapran, Anunasik or Swara Akshar or one the short vowel or long vowel. This all we can learn now. Then you must have to apply in this one all. Understand, children? If you identify by seeing this chart or otherwise, if you get an idea or to gnya, if you know the letters, through that one also you can identify a word. Or otherwise, what you have to do, you must have to check your page number 5. Open that. There you are going to see all Varnamala and how it is divided into which parts are there. That one also it was explained. Okay, in that one I took only Vyanjanakshar letters. Why? Because related to this Vyanjan letters only so many words are there. With Swar less words, means with Swar words are there, but less words. It is coming in first or otherwise in ending or otherwise in middle of that one. But we are using those letters, that Swarakshar letters, we are using to write the symbols only. Because we are writing symbols only. When we write the symbol, you have to identify and what is the word, you can know that. See this one, what is the word I am written, how you are going to identify with this chart. See, only Vyanjan letters. Okay, here we can see, we can take the Alpapranakshar and Mahapranaakshar. Which one are the Alpapranakshars? These are the Alpapranakshar, remaining all Mahapranaakshar. And these are the Anunasik Vyanjans. These are Anunasik Vyanjans. I am writing this right because you have to identify now. These are remaining. These letters are Mahapranaakshar. Why we are saying Mahapranaakshar? Why? Because we are keeping our energy to pronounce this word. Okay, children. Now, when we pronounce this word, here it is joined ha sound. Okay, there we join the ha sound. When you pronounce, see, kha. Example, kha. I am saying no kha, then you also have to say kha. Then only you know that what is the pronunciation of that one. Along with me, you also have to read. Okay, kha, cha, tha. See, when I am saying ha sound is coming in last. No, this sound is there, this ka sound is there in that one, and ha sound is there. Together, if we say, then it will become a letter. Okay, kha, cha, tha, 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 gha, jha, dha, dha, bha. Why I am written and showing this all? Why? Because you must have to feed this Varnamala in your brain. Then otherwise we can't identify any word easily. Understand, children? That's why I am explaining so many times this one. That's why. Okay, children. What are the Alpapranakshar in this one? We have to take Alpapran letters. What are these? Any sound is with so much that one? No, nothing. Na? See here, if we take the verbs, ka varg, cha varg, ta varg. What is the first letter? What is there? Ta. Okay, we can identify ta easily. Then what is the next one? Then it is ba. Where it is ka varg over? In the ka varg it is there? No, there, not there. Cha varg it is there? It is not there. Next ta varg it is there? It is not there. Ta varg it is there? It is not there. Then pa varg, see, pa, tha, ba, bha, ma. If we see the letter, if you saw the letter, see, if you identify the letter, it is easily. Or otherwise, if you are not identifying, what you have to do, you must have to open that Varnamala page. Then see here, pa, tha. These all letters you have to read compulsory. Then only you will get an idea where it is and what is the pronunciation of that letter. When we saw pa, tha, ba. See here, ba is here. Similar letter it is here. Then two letters. Now together you must have to say ta and ba. If we join this ta and ba, it will become a tub. Tub means tub. T-U-B, tub. What is that? Tub means what is that? Tub means tub. Then next, what is that next one? Tub means I explained already. Now next one, what is that? Very easy. See here. See? Ba, sa, bus. See here, which letters are there? First you have to separate that. Okay, first you have to separate those letters. See, which letters are hidden in that one? See, ba and sa. Then join this, it will become a bus. Bus means in English, bus. Okay, bus means what is that? Bus only. See, ba, sa, bus. What is that? Ba, sa, bus. How we identify this word? By saying this one, or otherwise by knowing the Varnamala. Okay? See here, ba. Now only we learn no ba, then ba, and where is sa? See, sa. Ba, sa. Ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha. Sa. Both two letters we added here as a bus. How you knows this? How you are going to identify this one? Ba, sa, bus, by knowing the Varnamala. No, in this one first what we do? First word we saw the word. After that we separated that which letters are hidden in that one. Then afterwards we join that word. What is a particular word and knowing the meaning in English. Now children, how many words I explained up to now? I explained 4 words. Dha, na, dhan. Dhan means money. Kha, ta, khat. Khat means letter. Then now ta, ba, tub. Tub means tub. Now bus means what is that? A vehicle through we are passing from here to there. One place to another place. It is taking us from one place to another. Means loads of means so many we can go through the bus from one place to another place. Okay children, this is what ba, sa, bus. How many letters, how many words I gave? Ta, ba, tub and ba, sa, bus. Now see here, related to this I will give some words. Those are meaningful words only, but in English how you are going to see? If you saw this one, in English also given, this is not a meaning, this is a pronunciation in English. Okay, by knowing this also you can pronounce the word. Okay, na, ga, nag, da, ra, dar. Okay, tha, la, thal, thal. Okay, na, ra, nar. See, by writing in English this spelling we can easily identify this word. No, that's why first Varnamala, you have to learn Varnamala, then only we can identify easily these words. In English if the pronunciation comes, then also we can identify easily. Okay children, now see related to this I will give the homework. You must have to post to your concerned class teacher. Okay children, now see, very easy homework I am going to give. See, join the letters. Okay, now see, in join the letters, which word is I am giving, you must have to which letters I am giving, you have to join and write in the blank. Okay children, before that before class also I explained that with letters, which letters are hidden in a particular word. Here I am explaining only 2-letter word. Now it is very easy to join this and write the word properly. Now when you write the word, compulsory you must have to give the header after completing the word. Okay, then only you have to join a word, otherwise it will come as a mistake also. Understand children? Now first one, okay, what is the word you have to write here. Okay. Kha plus tha. The next one. Fourth one. Only word? No, very easy. I told you where you have to give the header and how you have to finish the word. Okay children, you must have to write this one, and only answer should you must have to write on the book, on the paper, and post to your concerned class teacher. Till next time when we meet in next class, up to that time, thank you.